Abusia mesan so da wasena machia we san said de bia wo gebre na o hwe attention TV videos nyina no de achi na me yokese na wo nsha ti Facebook no mesro wo like na wa share YouTube subscribe na beka abusia no eho medie no na mensa abrompa berema ya obitima frame na mens e kire ho a na mapa kwansi bi area ma ho na be producer na na je sikapa obo dwuma dika ya fast dance Emma Queen University Foundation se wo boa dan nyinara na yenya moden yenyo pepa anije edibe ru adwuma no mi se ye boa asom wukuro mikuro yaman abiman anywhere safa na nyina no amansam edika ni tie ni hwe no yetimi ene wache what make an say de ehonye madika tenase edi nkomo ayi videos video ma wodi ka hwere da ahye so de ma me God bless you for that but same way there edisem gina ho you get a point where is standing ovation and amedema assembly ni nyina ene say yerim say kan ye beto say obi kokko ti obi ko police station obi kwa himfia nanka ye wo mo so odin aswode ye ntifo nanka sane mane bon mo akire ye bisuo hu ni say wo kokko to asabi bi kwa na kokko hwehwemu wo kokko adanse keke ene so wo ho ba ye onkrofo bi anka ye mpese ye beto say ogina court ana police for ekuta ne pa anase abankabu egu ni nsa ye onkrofo bi a ebi wan ohene ebi no osofo e me ka tama say opin for kram do ka ho e na kwara ketekete bi me do ka ho be na Ghana say dane ebedu mre bi na ka akonfo ni asofo no manya o ni e kan na okra o nyame nipa why don't you forget mo so mo ya akonfo da so mo nya papa ebi bebre ka ma dwene ya e na fi betisi asofo ente you bosom minu maye bosom ekurentwa musa e na asofo minu ono nya for dampare ye me tucha de ma papa yi if you continue this way bra ka skapom na yiko ora dampare wo ba dwuma pa God bless you for that men ka say obi dia ba na me do dabi but then why you say 1 + 1 is 2 and 2 and 11 what dey no wo ba ni mesesa so kibera enjai mo bia na daw and dey mo bia na daw oh papa yi ba yi oh ene opani ka say ba Ghana wagidi pa sofo kase a wagidi pa Ghana ha unya boni din a nipa 10 sia 8 enim no 20 sia 18 enim no can your readers back mark 16 be 14 enim no no ani Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa we kofa bai e de master for ni din e de Glorious Word Power Ministry International na ho ba asem ne bi atwamuko when ye maami a ene ye friend no evangelist you know Patricia Udru aka Fasoswe e maami agrada omunya ntawantawa bi wone ne boys ko fie opa abra me si from da o ka se magimi won me mena na be me se bitimi fie opa abra eyense bebre o na dia chi na nwumere na pa na ya bechi Reverend Owusu Bempa ene ne boys bi ama samne ko ena mo na mo sa wa ba obobe kana sorry dem ene wa oni tua hey sa court yeze o then o kan se bebre po ka prison sa ka na sorry for tutu omofo a ne kasa akoda the kasa ide akoda and that yentin sembia bim about this noble this big this chale me huta me fama no me ho adjective me fama no ne se ke bin sibi en ka sabe nga basa ko be careful kona bonsam tia no hwu hu pe obeya bonsam firi mi soko because Bible no kra kan Proverbs so bondefo gije wa empene bond wa pene wa pena reply wa pene abeto so biem se nranko fresh one police for asanso abefa osofo Owusu Bempa ade yebone we dey say charges mienu ade abon new charges wa sanso ko threat wakonguno huna wakobon hanya ye maame Patricia Udru wasa ko ye biem say baja Reverend we are waiting so be kwa konya dakam yankasa ko ho but we are waiting so be ko na utima a clarify niema ne nyina ye hu de ekọ but the atene say ya bo kwa dumi no say what ko threat ye maame Patricia Udru once again 2 se court mienu na wudi wa trench ya so utimi ko ekoyi one person is a court mienu and I was some good you Reverend, we like you. We love you. But Pastor, some of us that we follow you, we like you. Now, say disappointment, yaba. I'm not going to conclude or judge. No. yeah, rest of the Bible in Tiabe Kasa. Aftermath, the court issue, no, and our police issues, no. They are clear. The Timakuyi. Now, the Tosso and Sansuni. Sisia, you don't quite a coy, and also one in Quadani, and a police for I invited, and I sanso do a could be. Now, I am a member could be a tree momo Friday be a pampum jenny. Tree mo a pampum jenny. But if we say, Paracase, Jamanu, Fitikutia pet, than what your fee. What the buy Anka say, Brofum was a perfume, in ya, with the boom, where bet you. Your mamma were didn't or Casapa or social media pa. Nana Brown. First, going to be to a scene and I'm a brown, Nana Brown. Eddie Canana, my grada, you know, Mokoba, Mokona, Ekrana, Eddie Bibiania, channel information by the Brewa. Ah, let us on who's been passed off with us, more, you know, I am Fabi, young with the tomb. And the Achinaka. Mamma, as a Uchaha. As I quote me, Cretima, Emma, if for fetch some before Grada. Yeah, mammy, evangelist, who drew, don't me Cretino, who's been passed, so for say, beef a bed don't term, as an out of baby. Like gonna be too full, be very careful. Myself for buffo bowswa, mammy, the man conform, the buffo bowswa, and semble bree, nana, oh, Gemina. Share at the escape up also 10,000 Ghana cities, and can in 100 million. A tons are singing me as I grew Nukuru. What is it? A tons are singing in Sa Nukuru, and a toso. Is a pass over common in Yakaban, I had the amount. I didn't cry it to us at the MP freedom. Shut up, freedom, you know. I didn't pay freedom. Cecilia, Reshabe Dawson. We are back, come on. You can be moving around, hanging with friends, going to the family. But now, look at what is happening. So, if you have a child, you have somebody who is looking up to you to become whom you are right now, then what's set your money back up? Disappointment. Now, can I advise you? We are bar. Trini will buy. Take about bass as you know. Let's see, so we'll buy. You'll be about for the answer. You mellow, you humble. But would you say, Yabroso? Nana, so we beg you. If you fear, you study my aid. And the Reverend Bear will be our bonfire say. Make us a cocoa, but when courts invite you to come and talk, clear air my aid. Then what is behind all this? Yeah, my Patricia, decided was Sakra. The Kotia, sorry, you know, said the Kotia, sorry. Now, of course, Thanksgiving service, we got what's happening there. We are there, we invite too many people like, wow, why are there, why are there, why are there? What's your bonfire say? We shouldn't hear or see that, yeah, ma'am, evangelist Patricia Drew is being asked to come to the court. And yet, we are in Pacific Sabi. And the Ghana for Motiti, a Reverend Usubempa, your son, so, you know, your son, so, I bet you be one of the boys. Your bonfire say, near some of us say, court no ba Tenasi, na ya invite him panfui on be yanda kamua the better from biano the besi biano ya fan kamemo da e be die chiri me producer wa hai sikapa oh when dey me bomba say me yamo no but me say abona na nya boni bi no akodi no kutie nsem no abeka chiri ye oh hai die the be kosu biano e be shembo say monsa betimaka na ma husa attention the boy ahomamu a be bia ye din e mansempa no monsa etimi eka enti nakakra e free ye papa Reverend Isaac Osubempa na so ye de eba eno no enti prosecutor no ye chief inspector Dennis Tabete na ukweda ya na omonyina timi koso a ye bompa se de akoso nyina no ye betima koyi na emfa anugwa so ye nebi nemo before I leave the stage, you know asofo na yaban. I know people want to train. You have to train as a human being. People must or have to, you know, get to know you. But then what channel? What was the approach? Method be procedure be no first one. Ghana for be home. Abrompa, media answers about to an mechanic kama. Me for being coming even free. That is how people get to know me. What about you? In all, no, we call you pastors, we call you prophets, we call you reverend ministers. No? Your titles, no, bra. It shouldn't be, you know, tallying with such things or stories. There was I saw for about 1,000 coins in the Uganda how. people are there, they speak, they teach, they direct to their members, their family, that we don't hear. Make us only a cron, but Moya steady Kakrama is Reverend, I know you're a cool man, but have you been our cup of one egg grada? Young Bianca intimate on Casa. So once again, I saw for motion and mutin in I best ceremony say, be studious. And yes, sir, I'm sure my Bible was a bonsam de Joa. Mengaza will be a bonsam with some Margaret David in Gaza. But if somebody tries to provoke, somebody tries to argue with you, be part of setback, ask yourself, so if I reply this woman, if I reply this man, where will it take me to? The answer, of course, will be the court, the police station, that you feel. Then you stop. What do I say? Then you stop. Maybe be beneficial brave drama, amani emma. So once again, Reverend Usubempa, whether was software, Nana Brown, we wish you all the best, and then we pray that you go there, speak to the court, you come out successfully. But then more can be a bit much and here, more can they, ever can they, more can where I can wait. Maybe be I'm going to Ghana, I find temple in face and say, I saw for court. Never before court, where is Ghana? Let me show you to me now, but I'll share ye when you're Cassie Pierre said the mommy, not what Bush for sentiment come. Then I'm son, I brought Pabella enemy team, facility would do, and maybe producer. Then I Jessica brought any queen vast team, directors with her 24/7, and there. Which is my so discipline. Because that is you can't do anything that you want. Let me show up on your case. Bye bye.